Not enough funds showing up in your wallet at this moment? I'm revealing the step-by-step playbook to flipping a meme coin for max returns. Get ready, because we're about to make this money move. Methods coming, but here's the cold hard truth first. How you launch makes or breaks everything. Still stuck on pump fun? You're leaving stacks of cash on the table, my guy. Let's fix that. Here's the sad truth. Open Photon to the pump fun feed and watch the dumpster fire in real time. Projects like these two I'm showing appear every minute just to die instantly. And that's so lame. Pump funds become the dollar store of crypto. Everything's cheap, nothing's valuable. Check this. Radium's launchpad shows maybe 5 new coins every 5 minutes, a fraction of the junk elsewhere. But here's what matters. These get bought because they're vetted by code. You can't just BS your way onto Radium. That technical hurdle, it's your built-in trust signal. Now let's get you launching properly. Real talk now. LaunchTool is how I've been dominating Radium launches. No dev skills? No problem. Just set it and forget it. The numbers I've been pulling, absolutely criminal how easy this is. Check this. My logo's ready, and of course I found it on Google, following my signature dog theme strategy, of course. 'Cause it's my absolute cheat code, not gonna lie. Here's your cheat code. Canva.com, set 128 by 128 for the new design. Image tweaks, and then download. Easiest step in your launch. Let's jump back into LaunchTool. First things first, I'm naming mine Hispanic Dog Coin, and for the symbol DONCHO, and dropping this fire description. DONCHO loves eating and licking your tacos. Your turn, by the way, so get creative. Upload your logo. Easy. Then next. Critical part incoming. Hands off those defaults. That 1 billion supply is perfect as is. Just click next and keep it moving. So here we are at the creator details page. You can see that they're giving us the option to spend 0.1 Solana to change the creator name because the website is locked as the launch tool. But literally every time, I like to turn it off because I don't need that, and plus, I save myself 0.1 Solana. So this time, and as always, I'll just skip this section. Social media links? Don't bother, just click skip. Now here's a critical warning. If you go disabling that revoke mint option, you're allowing infinite minting of your coin. And that's basically a giant red flag for investors. Nobody wants that. So don't change a single setting here. Simply hit launch my token. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. And just like that, your token is live and ready to go. LaunchTool really is OP, right? First things first, verify our coin exists by checking SOL scan. There it is. Now back to business. In LaunchTool, click Create Liquidity Pool to jump to Radium. Wallet connection first if needed, like this. Here's how we set this up. Select your coin as the base token by copying its address from LaunchTool and pasting in Radium. Then complete the info. I'm keeping Hispanic Dog Coin for the token name and DONCHO for the symbol, of course. Click Add User Token, press the button again, enter 900 million, and select Sol as our pair. And we're set. Here's how this works. You're becoming your coin's first investor, which is exactly what we want. Choose the max amount. You literally can't lose. To appear legit, maintain at least 1 SOL liquidity. Don't forget to deduct 0.2 SOL for Radium's cut. In the initial price section, select the 2% fee option. Verify everything's correct, then we're ready to finalize the pool. Confirm the transaction, and just like that, we're in business. The pool is active and ready for outside investors now. There it is. Your coin's officially on Photon's radar. Now for the fun part, monitoring buys. Jump to deckscreener.com, pick a random chart, then swap out that address for yours from LaunchTool. Hit refresh and there's your chart. All those tiny trades, just bot activity. Focus on the big fish. I'm gonna grab some coffee while we wait for real action. I've been waiting for 2 minutes straight and still nothing ain't happening. But that's okay, because we can remember now that the liquidity at this moment is at, wait, look at that. First serious order already in. Guys, just remember these numbers because they are very small right now. The liquidity is sitting at $390. And the market cap? It's at $240, which ain't that bad. But in my opinion, while we're speaking, the number just jumped from 240 to a flat $1,000. I'm not fully satisfied with these numbers just yet. The chart is growing slowly but surely. And as you can see, in the last 5 minutes, it went up by 425%. And since the coin was first paired, it's grown by 461%. Knew this would happen. Another order just dropped. That's $210 and 1.56 sol, just placed literally 16 seconds ago. Brutal speed. And get this, no shilling required. The crazy part? You can rinse and repeat this liquidity pull. Insane strategy, right? And also, as you can see, the chart keeps growing, which is honestly amazing to see. If you remember, earlier it had grown about 460% in total, and now it's at a whopping 1100% growth. And take a look at this. The coin was paired just 9 minutes ago. We're doing absolutely incredible. Oh my god, third buy already? Man, just take a look at its value. It's a freaking $280, and that basically equals to 2 full sol that we have for our pool. And on top of everything we see, it's placed only 20 seconds ago. Now look at these gains. It's above 2,000% pump on the chart. This is next level stuff. I mean, we can clearly see there are a lot of sells in the order book, and honestly, it's hurting my eyes. I was thinking of waiting a bit more, but looking at the current situation, I'm totally pleased with these giant numbers. Guys, brace yourselves. The time has come. Let's cash out immediately. In Radium, you need to connect your wallet, of course. Choose Standard to see what is your current position. Hit the minus button you see right here. Adjust the slider to the max, which is 100%. Don't let these big numbers confuse you much, because the SOL numbers is what you're actually getting. Then just remove liquidity. And of course, make sure to confirm so the transaction can be completed safely. Folks, it is. Profit taken. See, remove liquidity confirmed. That's your SOL hitting Phantom Wallet. My results are $250 turned into $766. That is a whooping $500 profit. Important disclaimer, no relationship whatsoever with Launch Tool, Photon, or Radium. This is 100% for learning purposes. But facts are facts. The method's delivering stupid profits right this second. Timing is everything. Strike while it's hot.